name is Jonathan. I am a personal trainer and home cook turned restaurateur living here in Southern California. And I am here to welcome you to my channel. My channel is dedicated to sharing my two greatest passions in life, food and fitness. If you have an interest in learning simple, delicious dishes while at the same time staying healthy and on top of your fitness game, then this channel is for you. My love for food came at a very early age, watching my Sicilian grandmother do her thing in the kitchen. She's 98 years old now and doesn't necessarily cook anymore, but back in the day, her table was where the dinner parties were at. She was such an inspiration that my husband and I opened a popular pop-up restaurant here in Southern California called Nana's. Here on this channel, I share how to make some of our most popular dishes from the menu, as well as recreate some of my grandmother's classics and introduce some new recipes that are fun, familiar, and most of all, flavorful. Whether you are just now learning how to cook, have been in the kitchen for years, or just want to learn a new dish to introduce to your weeknight menu or to bring to your next family get-together, I have got you covered. Here on this channel, you will also find a number of at-home workouts that are designed to help maximize results with minimal equipment. These workouts are something that anyone can jump into and achieve results as long as you stay consistent. I am here to share my two greatest passions and all that I know about food and fitness with you. So I ask that you join in on the fun, subscribe to my channel, and let's make 2023 the year that we stay well and eat well. See you soon.